Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make creamy tomato soup. Let's begin by selecting your preferred brand of condensed tomato soup. For a truly creamy texture, we will combine 1 standard can of soup with 1 full can of whole milk. This ratio ensures a rich and velvety consistency. Gently heat this mixture over medium-low heat, stirring frequently to prevent scorching. Remember, avoid boiling the soup to maintain its smooth, luxurious texture. To elevate the flavor of your creamy tomato soup, consider adding a few simple ingredients. Incorporate 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter for an extra layer of richness and a silky mouthfeel. A 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder will introduce a subtle depth without overpowering the fresh tomato taste. For an aromatic touch, a small pinch of dried basil or oregano works wonderfully. Finally, season generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper to your liking. The ultimate secret to achieving truly luxurious creaminess lies in this final step. Once your soup is heated through and seasoned, slowly whisk in about 1/4 cup of heavy cream or half and half. This addition transforms the texture, making it incredibly smooth and velvety. Be sure to add it gradually while the soup is at a gentle simmer, not a rolling boil, to prevent any separation. This ensures a perfectly emulsified and decadent finish. Your perfectly creamy tomato soup is now ready to enjoy. Serve it piping hot in warm bowls to maintain its comforting temperature. For a beautiful presentation and added freshness, garnish with a few fresh basil leaves or a delicate swirl of extra cream. A light sprinkle of grated Parmesan cheese also adds a delightful savory note. This classic soup pairs wonderfully with a crispy grilled cheese sandwich for a truly satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.